Hey, today we're going to shoot a pretty nice 22 pistol. Now this is a Smith & Wesson Model 41. It's a target pistol, came out in 1957, still being made today. In fact, I bought this one in 1980, and it's just one of those pistols I'm never going to get rid of. In fact, someday I'll pass this one down to my son. But put a lot of rounds through this and just absolutely love this gun. Now I did a video on this back in February, but because it was wintertime, I wasn't able to get outside and shoot it, so we're going to shoot it today. Now real quick, it has a 5.5-inch heavy barrel on it. It does have nice walnut grips on it. Very nice rear target sight. And what we're going to do, we're going to start out shooting some reactive targets. And then if the wind doesn't kick up too bad, we'll shoot some paper targets and see how it groups. So let's get started. Got a few jugs set up at 7 yards. Let's give those a quick shot. Well, that's pretty easy. Let's try something a little more difficult. How about some shotgun shells at 7 yards? Let's try 2 water bottles and 1 orange at 12 yards. Still too easy. I got a 1-quart jug set up at 50 yards. Going to take a shot at that. Now I'm not going to shoot offhand, but I am going to use this Primos trigger stick. Really like this thing. You just squeeze the trigger on it and you can adjust the height. Really works pretty good. So let's zoom in and we'll take a shot at this jug. Okay. Here we go. She's bleeding. Alright, well, let's just put up some water jugs and have some fun. I got a target set up at 20 yards. We're going to shoot some of these, and we'll see how she does. I'll tell you what, for most of my shooting today, I was shooting this Fedro target, but of course for that target out there I was shooting that Eley ammo. But I'll tell you what, excellent pistol. If you ever get a chance to buy one, whether a new one or a used one, I would highly recommend it. Just really a great gun. We'll see you guys next time.